Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you fuse box location on this Subaru Brz. So the first fuse box location is gonna be inside the car. So if you look under the steering wheel, right under, it's right in here. That's your fuses right there. Comment below if there's a cover for this, because mine is missing or maybe it doesn't have one. If you do have one, comment below. If you want to get to your OBD port, it's also under the steering wheel, and it's gonna be right in here. That's to plug in your computer or for DQ. And to get to your second one, you'll be under the hood. To open the hood, you just pull on this latch right here, and that opens up the hood. So to open the hood, left, and there's a latch here. This latch right there. And to get to your second one, it's gonna be right in here. To open it, just this latch right here. And that comes off. There's your fuses. And the location of them under the cover, right in here. To close the cover, just line it up. Just like that. And then just push this in. Make sure it's secure. And this will be it for this one. And also, if you want to know how much tire pressure is supposed to be for the stock tires, usually it's located either on the door or on the side. On this one, it's gonna be on the side, right in here. It says the size and also says the PSI. So this will be it for this one, for BRZ. If you have any questions or feedbacks, comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.